Hey guitar friends, welcome back to Open Chord Secrets, where instead of just memorizing chord shapes, we understand these chords at a deeper level and make smart adjustments to create new variations and make your chord playing more interesting. Today we'll take another look at the voicing for the C major chord in the open position. Last time we learned how to replace the root note with the note 2 frets above it to create a chord embellishment, or keep it there to create a new chord, the C add 9. Today we're going to do something similar. Whenever you move the root note of a chord 1 fret down instead of 2 frets up, you get to the 7th degree or the major 7th. Now in the case of this C major voicing here in the open position, the C is on the 1st fret, so we don't have a fret 1 fret below it, but we can use the open string. And that gives us the major 7th degree. Again, there are two ways to use this. You can either use it as an embellishment whenever you have a C chord in a song, now let me remind you that whenever you do that, you add an extra note but then come back to the regular chord. You're not really changing the harmony. You're just creating a background melody that supports the main melody of the song. And you can even mix this 7th degree with the 2nd degree that we used before and create even more options for chord embellishments. But if you choose to keep that major 7th degree, now the harmony has changed. Instead of a C major chord, we have a C major 7th chord. With a very different sound that works on very different types of songs. So to review, you can replace the root note of the C major voicing in the open position with the open B string, either to create a new embellishment or to create a new chord, the C major 7th. Now it's time to apply what we learned. So if you're watching this inside Open Chord Secrets, you'll find some special backing tracks and instructions to practice this. You'll be taking the role of the rhythm guitar player in a band context. If you're watching this on YouTube or social media, then there should be a link around here for you to sign up and get all the lessons and backing tracks in this series. Alright, that's it. This is Prokopis from String Systems, reminding you to enjoy your practice and be effective.
Thank you.